guys, welcome to Learn Center. This is Rishikesh, and today I'm going to teach you how to make a mail sending application using C Sharp and Visual Studio. So let us get started with it. Open Visual Studio. Go to File, click on New, and click on Project. The new project dialog box opens up. Then click on Visual C Sharp and Windows Form application. Then let us name this as mailer and click on OK. Let's wait till the project is being created. So already this is the form which we will be creating. Let me resize it a bit. Okay, fine. So I'm gonna be using group boxes. Oops, okay. Let us bring it down a bit. Yeah, resize it to my convenience. Okay, so let us name this as sender details, and we will be needing another group box. Just double click it, click on this move cursor and bring it down a bit. Yeah, then resize it a bit. Oops, yeah, and bring it down. Okay, not that much down. Yeah, fine, this will do it. Then let us name this group box as receiver details. Yeah, then I'm gonna need labels. Let us go to labels. Okay, then okay, let us move it a bit. Yeah, let us name it as email ID. We will be taking another label. Let's double click it. Let's let the text be say password, then another label. We will be needing that here, so this will be email ID, then another label. This will be subject. Okay, let's change the text as subject, then another label, and let us name that as body. Yeah, okay, this one just we will change it a bit here. Okay, fine. Then afterwards we will be needing some text boxes to take input from the users. Okay, yeah, Okay, so we will name this text box as, yeah, s email. Then we will be needing another text box. Let this be spwd. Another text box. Let this be our email. Another text box. We should make sure that the text box against the subject label is multi-line, because this will act as the subject of our mail, and it can be longer than one line. So let us name it as subject, and another text box. Even this will be multi-line because this is the body of the message, which can be of many characters. So after all this, okay, then forgot, shit, yeah, after this I will name it as body. Then I will be needing 2 buttons. Okay, let us do it with 1 button for now. So that will be yeah, so let us change its text to send mail. And then, okay, so this is basically the interface that we will be using in our application. Let us click on send mail. Yeah, so this is the coding part. So before the user uses this application, you might want to make sure if he is connected to the internet or not, otherwise it may return some exceptions, errors and all. So let us write the code to check if the user is connected to internet or not. For that we will be using few namespaces. They are using system dot runtime and using system dot runtime dot interrupt services. Okay, then before this we will have to import a DLL file by using the DLL method. See, this is the DLL import. Double click on it, then open braces, start quotations, write WININET dot DLL, that is WinINet, that we will be using to check the internet connection of the user. Then we will be writing a function that is public extern static pool space internet get connected state, and we will be passing two parameters, that is out int description comma int reserved value. Okay, then make sure that this whole function is typed as it is shown in this video, because this is kind of a predefined method in C# which is used to check the internet connection. Then Okay, so this is the send email button. We will be using, okay, let us start it. We'll be first declaring an int variable, that is int dese, the description. Okay, yeah, right, and the description is used, so we will be using int des. Okay, then you will be defining a bool variable, bool abc. What is this? Okay, bool abc. abc is equal to the function which we typed. See this one, the internet get connected state, and we will be passing the parameters of out des comma 0. Okay, yeah, semicolon and enter. Now the bool abc value is according to the internet get connected state out des. This des will contain the value that the user is connected to internet or not. So if abc is equal to true, then we will have one message box dot show connected to internet. Yeah, else message box dot show not connected. So basically what's happening here is, if this abc value is true, that is if the internet get connected state value is true, then the message box will show that the user is connected to internet, and if it is false, then it goes to the else loop and displays not connected. So let us check this once. Click on start. Okay, so click on send mail. See, this is connected to internet. It is displaying connected to internet because I am connected to internet here. Okay, so let us try disconnecting it. So let us disconnect it. Now again click on send mail. Now it will show not connected. See, it works. So let us close this. But the basic function of this app is to be able to send mail. So we will be deleting this code, and we will be replacing it with the message sending or mail sending code. So the first thing for that is type, okay, before doing this we will have to include another namespace, that is using system.net.mail. Yes, and that this is the system.net.mail imports all the functions that are necessary to send a mail from a C sharp application. So let us start with the mail sending code. Type mail message msg is equal to new mail message, open and close parenthesis, then smtp client. smtp is equal to new smtp client. We are creating an instance of the smtp client which we will be using now, and the smtp dot host is equal to in quotations write smtp.gmail.com. So basically here we are using the email service provider, that is Gmail from Google, and its host, smtp host, is smtp.gmail.com. Then we will be needing smtp dot port number, so smtp dot port is equal to 587. And to send this mail we will be needing the credentials of the sender, that is the username and password of the sender in his Gmail account. So let us start with it. smtp dot credentials is equal to new system dot new system dot network credential. And as you can see, the network credential here are the sender details, that is this one, s-email and spwd. So we will be giving this s-email dot text comma spwd dot text. Yeah, close. Make sure that the email comes before the password, that is s-email.text is followed by spwd.text, because it will take the credentials in this form. You can't provide the password first and email next. It has to be first email then password. So then, so afterwards we will be declaring from whom the message is and to whom the message is going. So message, that is the instance of mail message, that is message dot from equal to new mail address. The new mail address, this message is from the sender, right? So we will be using this s-email dot text. We will be using s-email dot text message dot to dot add. This is used to define where the email is going or to whom this email is reaching. So we will be adding new mail address, and that is this one, the our email, that is receiver email. So it will be our email dot text, and the message dot subject is equal to subject dot text. This is the subject of the message which we will be providing in the app itself. So this will be the message dot body is equal to body dot text. Yeah, then message dot is body html is equal to false. Yeah, this is body html is another method which we will be using to tell the app that the body is not an html page, otherwise it will display the whole message in a traditional html format, that is everything will be aligned to left. So then we will have to enable the SSL connection, because that is the secret connection, because Visual Studios works only if the secret connection is turned on. That is, now we will enable it in this form: smtp dot enable SSL equal to true. Okay, then okay, everything is declared. Now one thing is left, that is smtp dot send message. Okay, then we will use one more message box dot show. Here this is mail sent successfully. This is the text that is used that is displayed in the message box, and the name of this message box will be success, and we will be using message box buttons dot okay. Right, all this will happen if this this abc bool value is equal to true. That is, only if the user is connected to the internet. If he is not connected to internet, it will display not connected. Okay, so we I forgot to do one thing here. Let us use click on this text box, that is spwd, and enable this use system password char to true, because if you don't do this, then anyone can see your password here, and if you change it to true, then all the text that is typed in this text box will be just black dots and nothing else. So let us start this application. Learn center 01 at the rate gmail.com. Let us give password, then learn center 01 at the rate some garbage, any text that you want to send, then click on send mail. See, the mail is sent successfully. Then click on OK and let us check it. Yeah, okay, reload it. Let us see if I have got any mail from myself. Sounds funny. Yeah, see, I got mail. So in this way you can create your own mail sending application using Visual Studio and C#. Thank you for watching, guys. Good day.